Question 441. Describe a project where you implemented process improvements in academic production. What was the outcome? In a recent project, I led an initiative to streamline the course registration process, which was plagued with delays and errors. I conducted a thorough analysis of the existing workflow, identifying bottlenecks primarily related to manual data entry and approval processes. By implementing an automated online registration system integrated with our student information system, I reduced the time spent on approvals and enhanced data accuracy. The outcome was significant. We decreased registration processing time by 40% and improved student satisfaction ratings. This project not only increased operational efficiency, but also allowed staff to focus on more strategic tasks. Question 442. How do you approach continuous learning and skill development in the ever-evolving field of academic analytics? Continuous learning is essential in academic analytics due to rapid technological advancements. I set aside dedicated time each week for professional development, engaging with online courses on platforms like Coursera and edX, focusing on topics such as machine learning and advanced data visualization. I also participate in webinars and industry conferences to stay updated on emerging trends and best practices. Networking with peers in the field through professional organizations allows me to exchange ideas and learn from others' experiences. By fostering a growth mindset, I ensure that my skills remain relevant and that I can effectively contribute to my organization. Question 443. Explain your experience with predictive analytics in academic settings and any tools you have used. I have extensive experience with predictive analytics, particularly in forecasting student retention and performance. Using Python's scikit-learn library, I built models that analyzed historical data to identify at-risk students based on various factors such as attendance, grades, and engagement levels. I also utilized R for statistical modeling, which provided insights into trends and correlations. By implementing these predictive models, we were able to proactively implement intervention strategies, significantly improving retention rates by 15% over 2 academic years. This experience demonstrated the value of data-driven decision-making in enhancing academic outcomes. Question 444. Discuss your familiarity with Agile project management methodologies. How have you applied them in your analytical work? I am well versed in Agile methodologies, which I apply to enhance project efficiency and adaptability. In my previous role, I adopted Scrum practices for managing analytics projects, organizing work into bi-weekly sprints. This approach allowed for iterative feedback and continuous improvement, as stakeholders could review progress regularly. Daily stand-up meetings facilitated open communication within the team, addressing any roadblocks promptly. By prioritizing tasks in the backlog based on stakeholder input, we ensured that our analyses aligned with institutional priorities. This Agile framework not only improved project delivery times, but also fostered a collaborative team culture. Question 445. How do you ensure the usability of the data dashboards you create for academic stakeholders? Ensuring usability in data dashboards involves understanding the target audience's needs and preferences. I start by conducting user interviews to gather insights on what metrics are most valuable to them. This feedback informs the design and layout of the dashboard, ensuring it is intuitive and visually appealing. I prioritize key performance indicators, KPIs, and use clear visualizations, such as graphs and charts, to convey complex data simply. Additionally, I provide training sessions for stakeholders to familiarize them with the dashboard's functionalities. Regularly soliciting user feedback allows me to make iterative improvements, ensuring the dashboard remains both relevant and user-friendly. Question 446. What considerations do you take into account when designing a data governance framework for academic institutions. Designing a data governance framework requires a holistic understanding of data ownership, quality, and compliance. First, I identify key stakeholders and define their roles and responsibilities regarding data management. Establishing clear data standards and protocols is crucial to ensure consistency and accuracy across various departments. I also incorporate data classification policies to safeguard sensitive information, complying with regulations like FERPA. Regular training for staff on data handling best practices is essential for fostering a culture of accountability. Finally, I implement monitoring mechanisms to track adherence to governance policies, ensuring continuous improvement and alignment with institutional goals. Question 447. How do you handle competing priorities from multiple academic departments while ensuring timely analysis delivery? Managing competing priorities requires strong organizational skills and effective communication. I first assess the scope and impact of each request, collaborating with department heads to establish timelines based on urgency and importance. I utilize project management tools like Jira to track requests and progress, ensuring transparency. Regular check-ins with stakeholders keep them informed of timelines and any potential delays. By setting clear expectations and managing workflows efficiently, I can balance multiple demands without compromising the quality of analysis. Additionally, I advocate for prioritizing projects that align with strategic institutional goals, ensuring that my efforts contribute to overall academic success. Question 448. Describe a time you had to present complex analytical findings to a non-technical audience. How did you ensure clarity? In a recent presentation on student retention analysis, I aimed to communicate complex statistical findings to a non-technical audience, including faculty and administration. To ensure clarity, I simplified the data by focusing on key insights rather than technical details. I used visual aids such as charts and infographics to illustrate trends and patterns, making the information more digestible. Additionally, I framed the findings within the context of their implications for academic policies. By encouraging questions throughout the presentation, I fostered engagement and ensured understanding. Feedback indicated that attendees appreciated the clarity and relevance of the information presented. Question 449. How do you assess the effectiveness of academic programs using data analytics, and what metrics do you prioritize? Assessing academic program effectiveness involves a comprehensive analysis of various metrics. I prioritize student outcomes, such as graduation rates, course completion rates, and postgraduate employment statistics. Additionally, I analyze student feedback through surveys to gauge satisfaction and identify areas for improvement. Data from institutional assessments and standardized tests also provide insight into program quality. By employing a balanced scorecard approach, I can evaluate programs holistically, considering both quantitative and qualitative data. Regularly reviewing these metrics and collaborating with faculty allows for data-driven decisions that enhance program effectiveness and align with institutional goals. Question 450. What role does cultural fit play in your approach to teamwork and collaboration in academic production environments? Cultural fit is essential in fostering a positive and productive work environment. I prioritize collaboration by promoting open communication and respect for diverse perspectives. Understanding the unique values and norms of academic institutions helps me tailor my approach when working with cross-functional teams. I actively engage colleagues by encouraging participation in discussions and valuing their input, which builds trust and inclusivity. By aligning team goals with the institution's mission, we foster a shared sense of purpose. Moreover, I emphasize adaptability and continuous learning, creating a culture where innovation thrives. This commitment to cultural fit enhances teamwork and ultimately contributes to the success of academic production initiatives. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.